Google has officially unveiled the Pixel 8 series with a release date set for October 12. Now, attention turns to the mid-range Pixel 8a, which has just surfaced in a recent leak. Tipster OnLeaks has joined forces with smartprix to share high-quality renders of the Pixel 8a. As expected, there aren't many significant changes to anticipate. The Pixel 8a closely resembles its predecessor, the Pixel 7a, and maintains the distinctive visor camera design as its prominent feature. The Pixel 8a is reported to feature dual cameras alongside essential sensors and a 6.1-inch flat display with minimal bezels. The display may also incorporate a layer of 2.5D curved glass. In terms of dimensions, the Pixel 8a is expected to measure 152.1 x 72.6 x 8.9 mm, making it slightly taller and slimmer compared to its predecessor. Additionally, it is rumored to be available in peach and blue color options, with the possibility of more colors being added to the lineup. A noticeable distinction will be the rounded corners, a design element introduced in the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, and it appears that the A variant will also incorporate this change. At the top, there could be an ultra-wideband strip, while the bottom is expected to feature the USB Type-C port and stereo speakers. The standard placement of the power button, volume rocker, and SIM tray will be on the sides. For a more comprehensive view, you can explore the 360-degree renders to get a better understanding of the design. Regarding the specifications, there are no definitive details available at the moment. However, there are suggestions that the Pixel 8a might be equipped with the Tensor G3 chipset, which is the same as the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, but with varying clock speeds. It is likely to be paired with 8 gigs of RAM and offer 256 gigs of storage. As for the price, it is expected to fall below $600. The potential release window for the Pixel 8a is in 2024, possibly during the Google I/O event. As these details are currently based on rumors, it's advisable to approach them with a degree of skepticism and await further official information. We'll continue to provide updates, so please stay tuned for more. In the meantime, feel free to share your thoughts on the Pixel 8a renders in the comments section below. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.